Oh, we're just north of Reardon, Washington. Beautiful eastern Washington. Where we ended up with this one, we had a friend down in Yuma that just put in a kit home. And he had a good experience with kit home. And so we got to thinking and got to talking. So on our way back, we stopped in Napa and toured kit homes. And oh God, they rolled out the red carpets. So. And then on our way on up to Tri-Cities, we were moving with our fifth wheel. So we stayed there a couple nights and went to Gillespie Homes and toured that. And that's how we kind of got started and kind of made up our minds. So they have quite a few floor plans. And of course, my wife, she wanted something huge. But she fell in love with this floor plan. We really liked it. And with Kit Home, they were flexible. If I wanted to change something, not a problem. We'll work with you. A lot of manufacturers know the floor plan is the floor plan. Either you like it or you don't. Well, usually I didn't and walk away, but here we like the floor plan. Features we did like was my wife, the smuggler's pantry. She fell in love with that. And she wanted a big kitchen, and this was a 3-bedroom home. We didn't need it, so we did some conversion and took out a door, put in an archway, made an office. We changed the master bathroom, I should say, because they got that big soaker tub. Eliminated that and did some arranging, and Kit built it how I drew it. The building inspector at the time, he was here, then I didn't see him. And I called him and I says, you know, we're way behind on these inspections. And what he said was, he says, I know Kit Homes. He says, I've dealt with them. And he says, I drive by windshield inspection. He says, I don't have to worry about Kit Homes. And when we were done, he come up and signed it off. I said, what do you want to look at? He says, I don't have to. He says, I know how they build the homes. So, and the thing about what I like about it is a lot of manufactured homes that come in on wheels look like a double wide. Well, it fools people here with this Kit Home. People say, how'd you design your home? That really looks nice. And I said, it came in on wheels. And they says, no, that don't look like a manufactured home.